Okay, we're starting our first Hasbar, Unit 6, 6.1. We're learning Masechta Kedushin and the first parak called Ha'isha Niknes, and we are on Daf Lamed Tet Amid Bet, that's 39, side B, and we're going to start off with our Mishnah. And the Mishnah starts off, Kol Oseh Mitzvah Achas, a person who does one mitzvah, Meitivin Lo. Good things will happen for him. Good things will follow. Umarichin Lo Yamav. And lengthen to him will be his days, meaning he'll have long days. V'nochel es haaretz, and he will inherit the land. Rashi says, Nachal es haaretz, chaye olam haba. Person will have life in the world to come. So, three things that if a person does a mitzvah, good things will happen to him, he will have a long life, and he will get olam haba. And someone who does not perform a mitzvah, ein mitivin lo, nothing good will come from it. No good will follow him. It means bad things will happen. Ve'marichin lo yamav. His days will not be long. He'll have shortened days. Ve'eni nochal es haaretz. And he won't have olam haba. So we see from this Mishnah, it seems to be very straight Mishnah. If you do mitzvos, you'll have long life. Good things will happen to you. And you'll have not only life in this world, but in life in the next world. God forbid a person doesn't do a mitzvah. Bad things will happen. His life will be shortened. And he won't have olam haba to look forward to. Okay, so the next few Hasbars, we're going to try to unpack this Mishnah and try to understand its implications for us. Please make sure that you summarize the Mishnah as well.